Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, keyless ignition, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2017 Optima Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, cruise control.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.